2021 is not over yet, but why we think that it is over, and why a lot of people around us, including us, has gone back to normal. And this normal, which we call, is a routine thing for us. And why it happens, at the beginning of this year, every year we are very excited, and then after some time we go back to normal life, and no wonder हमारे results life में सेम ही रहते हैं. जैसे हम 2018 में थे, जैसे हम 2015 में थे, जैसे हम 2020 में थे, वैसे हम 2021 में भी है. The only reason for that is our behaviors, our habits. So I am very excited, to talk about this, because personally I have changed a lot in last 4-5 years, and 2021 I have taken new 3 habits which I am building right now, and that is why I am very happy and excited, and I know that 2021 is going to be different for me. So this is your friend Limitless Yogesh here. What I do, I am an entrepreneur. I head up Intrinsic, and what I do in that is basically a lot of people in today's world have a dream of becoming a successful entrepreneur, but they don't have a right platform. So what I do is I provide a right platform to them so that they work on those platforms and they become a successful entrepreneur. So before going ahead, let's hit it. So I can share with my personal experience. When I started in 2015, my first attempt as an entrepreneur, though that was into different project, and I did not know that. When I started with a lot of excitement, and when I completed 1 year, I did not achieve what I wanted, and then I had to change my path. And I did not realize in entire this that ये ऐसा क्यों है, because I started with certain goal that ये achieve करना है मुझे, and ये goal achieve करने के लिए I was very happy, very excited, and वो मिल नहीं रहा था, and I could survive, I could do good things, I could do job and everything could happen, but जो मुझे really चाहिए था मेरे life में वो नहीं मिल रहा था. And I started wondering कि what is happening, why my results are same. 2015 repeated in 2016 also, 2016 repeated in 2017 also, and I eventually started wondering कि ये क्या हो रहा है, कि सेम एक पर्टिकुलर रिजल्ट क्यों है, इतना ही मेरे लाइफ में इतनी ही चीज़ें अचीव क्यों हो पा रही है. And then I started doing a lot of research, I started attending a lot of personality related training and बहुत कुछ. There I found out that why our results are same, because our behaviors or our habits are same, and it is said man is a creature of habit. So our behavior and our habits are same. So when our behaviors or habits are same, our results are going to be same. So in order to achieve different things, in order to achieve different results, our behaviors at the core need to change. And when you say that your behavior need to change at the core, means we need to change at the core, we need to change as a person. And you have seen a lot of motivational videos and a lot of stuff that बहुत बोलते हैं चेंज करो, इंटरनल चेंज करो, पर कोई ये नहीं बताता कि कैसे करना है भाई. एंड ऑफ कोर्स मैं भी सब बोल रहे थे चेंज करो, तो मैं भी एकदम एक्साइटमेंट में, हाँ मैं चेंज कर रहा हूँ, बट एक्चुअली कुछ चेंज नहीं हो रहा था. When I found out, when I started attending training, I found out that actually to change as a person, I need to change at, neurological level. Now what I mean by that is, really our neural circuits in our brain needs to change, because our neural circuits in our brain are used to fire and wire in particular way, and when they fire and wire in particular way, our habits are built. Now I'll make it very simple. In simple terms, when our thoughts, feelings and emotions are same, our actions are same, and when all these are same, our behaviors, our habits are same, and when all our behaviors and habits are same, our results are also same. So when you need to change your reality outside, when you need to achieve a lot of bigger things in your life, सबसे पहले यहाँ चेंज आना जरूरी है. Your neural circuits need to fire and wire in different way, So when you change your habits through neural patterns, through changing thoughts and emotions, eventually your personality changes, and when your personality changes, your personal reality changes. Now how this can happen? When you try to build new habits, of course there will be a lot of challenges in building those habits, because your old self इज गोइंग टू कम इन बिटवीन, बिकॉज पुराना जो योगेश है वो नहीं चाहेगा कि नए योगेश को आने दे, तो वो फाइट करेगा. बट अगर आप if you are clear that I want to change myself, new self will automatically get built. I'll give you one example how my life changed in last few years. Every year when it started, I decided that I will pick up a new habit which I will continue for entire year, you know. So I started in last couple of years, I started taking one habit every year, only one habit, you know. And as it is said, that when you change 1% every day, you change 365% in a year. So I started picking up those habits, and eventually my life started changing. And one of the important habit which I picked, that I never used to like reading books, you know. कभी book reading मुझे पसंद नहीं आता था, but I picked up that habit. I guess in 2017 I picked up that habit, 17 or 18, I don't remember. But it really changed me as a person. It really gave me a lot of different perspective. It really gave me that wisdom that yes, life में इतनी सारी चीज़ें हैं जो मुझे पता नहीं है, और अगर मैं उस चीज़ों को इम्प्लीमेंट करूँगा तो मेरी लाइफ कम्प्लीटली चेंज हो जाएगी. सो ये साल 2021 व्हाट आई हैव डन नाउ, आई एम एम्पलीफाइंग इट राइट नाउ. एवरी ईयर आई यूज्ड टू टेक one habit. Now this year I am taking 3 habits, and these 3 habits are very important habits related to important areas of my life. That is why I picked up those 3 habits, and me recording this video is also one of that habit. I can share with that, you know. So I want to master this skill of video making. I am sharing this with all of you. So this is one habit which I am picking. There are 2 other habits. One is creating leadership, and one is related to my business skill. One more habit I have taken. So these are the things which, if you also implement in your life will be different, and a lot of people will be inspired. So I hope I could inspire you, you know. And these small changes every day really makes us a different person in long term, and then eventually our reality also changes. And this helps our generations, this helps our upcoming generations. If I change my personal reality, if I become wealth driven person, if I build my wealth, eventually it is going to benefit my family only, and my course of my life, course of my next generation will change, you know. So you always see to the, or you always witness or watch the experience of other people, how this person built this big company, how this person is so inspiration, but we never take it into our life कि हम भी चेंज कर सकते हैं, हम भी हमारे आने वाले जनरेशन्स का पूरा कोर्स चेंज कर सकते हैं. So 2021 is not over yet. अभी तो शुरुआत हुई है. You still have a lot of days in your hand. आप पूरे 300 दिन अगर पकड़े ना साल के, तो आप बहुत कुछ चेंज कर सकते हैं आपके लाइफ में. और जब आप ये बहुत सारी चीज़ें इम्प्लीमेंटेशन में डालोगे और लाइफ अगर डिफरेंट होना शुरू हो जाएगी, कैन यू इमेजिन, यू कैन व्हाट काइंड ऑफ ड्रीम लाइफ यू कैन स्टार्ट लिविंग. So if you really like my videos, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel on YouTube called Your Born to Be Limitless, and also follow me on my Facebook page called Your Born to Be Limitless. 2021 has just started.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I